Hi everyone, I'm Colin Redbond, Senior Vice President of Emerging Technologies at Blue Prism. And on behalf of the entire product and engineering team, we'd like to thank you for your support and welcome you to Blue Prism World 2020. So the world has changed more in the last 6 months than it had in the previous 6 years before that. This has changed and advanced the way that organizations think about the future of work in ways that probably would have seemed unimaginable a year or so ago. Remote access to on-site work went from being an efficiency to being a necessity. 62% of Americans are now working remotely, and 76% of US hospitals are now assessing patients remotely. It's even affected education. I've got 2 kids at school and they're having to adapt to using remote tools for their education. So this new normal has really accelerated the adoption of intelligent automation, and it's forcing digital transformation at a pace that no one could have really thought possible. Blue Prism has already begun enabling organizations to accelerate this transformation and to cope in this challenging time. Take this example of how NHS University Hospitals Birmingham is using the capabilities of the Blue Prism digital workforce and the Enterprise Digital Exchange during the COVID-19 response. They've scaled their digital workforce to process more than 1,000 clinical review assessments each day during the pandemic. And they're using the Enterprise Digital Exchange to share the automations built by their COE. As a result, they've been able to return 8,000 nursing hours back to the business in critical areas such as respiratory data sharing, improving access to psychological therapies, sustainability of the back office, health and justice monitoring. University Hospitals Birmingham is leveraging Blue Prism automation to provide superior patient care. You can learn more about this during our healthcare track session. So whatever your type of business is, the Blue Prism product vision supports this accelerated reality of the future of work. Our product vision is a digital workforce for every enterprise. Now more than ever, this vision is becoming relevant to every enterprise organization across the globe. Our product, the work that we're doing to support these enterprise organizations, and the products and features that we have and will be releasing are designed to support these needs. Now, innovation is central to our business. Through the exciting work that we're doing in the AI Lab, to our Innovation Center, and what they're doing to push the boundaries of our platform, to the rapidly expanding development team that we have building out new features. So we're really with you as you try and work out how to scale innovation in your organization. Now, product vision is supported by 4 key strategies that we believe underpin this future of work. The first is enterprise class. Now, enterprises need a digital workforce that's centralized and secured, because it doesn't matter how urgent the need for digitization and automation is, these core IT responsibilities don't just disappear. So we're constantly focused on hardening the security, the scalability, and the compliance of our platform to ensure that you can sleep soundly while your digital workforce is hard at work. Every one of our releases over the past year has had significant enhancements to support the demands of an enterprise organization, from the underlying database level all the way up to the performance of the user interface. Now, we've also had expansion into new industries and regions. So we've added additional regional support, language and security features, and standards such as FIPS compliance now as standard. Of course, in these times, your ability to move to the cloud will no doubt be top of your mind. Our Blue Prism Cloud platform, since our acquisition of Thoughtonomy, has now been well established, and we're expanding its capabilities further to bring new innovations to the platform so that you have the option of a turnkey, cloud-hosted intelligent automation platform for your business. So all enterprises need to accelerate innovation. More than ever, the digital workforce is being relied upon to help bridge the huge gulf of delivery between your current capabilities and your business. So putting the future of work into the hands of your business is part of our core focus. Now, we know that we need to help you and your business learn and experiment with our product. So we've been working hard to make it easier for people to access the product through new learning and trial editions, and with a strong focus on our user and developer community. We're also trying to make things easier for you with the tools that we're building into Blue Prism Hub, such as Wireframer, the work that we're doing in the AI lab, and the expanding catalogue of easily consumed skills within the digital exchange. We're making automation more accessible than ever. We're also working hard to bring some of these new Blue Prism Cloud innovations to all of our customers. So from August, Blue Prism Hub will be available to you even if you run your environment on premises. Now, there's no doubt in my mind that the future of work is going to be about a unified workforce of digital workers and people. And enterprises will need to employ digital workers and have them collaborating with their human counterparts, but without compromising that first principle of enterprise strength. Blue Prism Interact enables this secure collaboration between your people and your digital workers, with the ability to support much more interactive and long-running processes. Now, as with Blue Prism Hub, we'll be making Interact available to our on-premises customers later on this year. We also have our Service Assist product, which is designed specifically for large contact centers, which is also now available in limited release. And speaking of connectivity, we now have over 27,000 Blue Prism users downloading AI and other skills from our digital exchange. And there are now over 1,500 downloadable assets. We've also made it possible for customers to create and brand their own private digital exchange. And the NHS case study I spoke about earlier is a great example of how this can benefit your business. Now, there's a whole lot more for the digital exchange that we'll be discussing in subsequent sessions. Now, finally, enterprises need their digital workforce to solve an increasingly demanding set of scenarios. And this means consuming and experimenting with AI and complementary technologies and being able to easily swap out different technologies based on the use case. So at the core of intelligence is data and analytics. We've strengthened our capability to support your data scientists and business analysts making use of data that your digital workforce is able to access through new embedded analytics and the ability to easily transport data into your external analytics platform of choice. Of course, a major part of the challenge for any organization is data acquisition and being able to extract and understand data from any format, including documents. So I'm very pleased to announce that our intelligent document processing system, Decipher IDP, is now available at no cost to our customers as part of a managed customer success program. So with native integration into Blue Prism, an easy-to-use interface, built-in human-in-the-loop capability, and future extensibility, Decipher IDP will enable you to automate more processes cost-effectively. You can visit Decipher IDP on the Blue Prism portal for access. All that said, the most critical aspect of our product strategy is none other than you, our customers and our partners. And we want to thank you for your support. Your input matters more than you know. Now, the day ahead is going to offer you many opportunities to share your feedback, but I'm going to leave you with a link to our product ideas portal here. We'd love to hear from you. But for now, thank you for your time, stay safe, and enjoy Blue Prism World 2020. Thank you.